Okay, so I see that you've got the cards sorted in front of you. Can you take a look at them and tell me how you've sorted them?
I sorted these by color: red, orange, yellow, greens, blues, dark blues, and purples.
Okay, and then can you take a closer look at each row? And I noticed that you've also sorted each of those rows. Can you tell me how you've sorted them in each row?
Yes, these are liquids. These are all liquids: gastric juices, lemon juice, vinegar, soda, and orange. I've sorted these. These are fruits and vegetables: cherries, tomatoes, carrots. These are kind of unusual, but I've sorted these with a black coffee, bananas, both with beet. These are more onions, cheddar cheese, potato, milk, different food groups. Distilled waters by itself and blood, crackers, eggs, and seawater, liquids and solids, proteins, basically, ammonia, soapy water, oven cleaner. These are all cleaning agents.
Okay. Can you take a look at the pH of each of those and tell me what's happening as you go down each column?
This column right here, the pH is 0. When I get to the very bottom, it's 3.8. It's going up as you go down.
Okay, is that the same for each of those rows? Have you sorted it that way as well?
It is. I've got 4.4, 4.2, 4.8, 4.9, 5.1 every time it goes up.
Okay. So as you go down each column, the pH increases.
It increases. Every one of them I have on the bottom are higher than the top.
So then as you would go up, the pH would do what?
The pH is actually is going down.
Okay. How about the pOH?
The pOH basically goes down as I go start from the top. It's at its highest, and as I go down, it gets only lower. 12.2 or 12.4, 11.8, 11.2. It actually goes down.
Okay.
So it's the opposite direction as the other.
Okay.
pH.
Good. All right. When you look at both the pH and the pOH, and you compare like one card to the next card, what do you notice? Like compare one card, it could be something on the left to something on the right. You compare the pH to the pOH. What do you notice every time?
But the pH is lower and the pOH is higher.
Okay. Now, let's look at, let's say, for example, the hydrochloric acid, which is in the first row at the top.
Right.
Compare that to the sodium hydroxide, which is in the last column on the bottom. What do you notice?
They're both 0. Where the pH is 0 and pOH is 0.
Okay. And what's the total of the pH plus pOH?
Of which one?
For both of them.
If this is 14.0 on the acid,
Okay.
or what is this one?
Sodium hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide, and on the acid it's 14.0 also. These are a pair.
Well, they both total 14.
They both total 14, these two.
But are they the same thing?
No, they're completely different.
Can I look at something, pick out a different card, and then compare the pH to the pOH?
Lemon juice compared to black coffee would be about the total opposite. Lemon juice, pH is 2.2, black coffee is 4.9. The pOH of lemon juice is 11.8, and the pOH of black coffee is 9.1.
Okay, we'll add up the numbers on those cards.
So that would be 14 also on the black coffee, and 14 also on the lemon juice.
Okay.
So that would be the common, something in common with all of these would be
that they all
are 14.0.
That they all have to total 14.0.
Right.
Great. Okay. Which acid do you think is the